emotions that I haven't experienced before because I've never experienced music like this before.
It brings people together and it makes them happy.
Makes me feel alive. It's so beautiful, the community.
I haven't seen an audience so happy in a million years. It's beautiful.
I really liked how it brought people from all different backgrounds over here.
It's really, really nice. It's my first event and I'm gonna come back for more.
When you get into the groove, you can really just put a smile on your face.
4, 3, 2, 1, rumble!
Share music is always going to be the most beautiful human experience.
Such a blessing to the community, so we're very appreciative.
It made me feel really happy inside and very culturally connected to the Filipino culture.
Watch Tanet and follow her first figure. Ready, village.
It should be widespread all over, so let many people to know about some really rare traditions.
I feel so enlivened and I feel so expanded. I have such a sense of how magnificent the world is.
How was the music tonight?
Good. I like it.
Yeah? Why is it important?
So people can see it and have fun.
Did you enjoy dancing?
Yeah.
This was great, actually. It brought my spirit up.
This concert really brought together community. It was inspiring, inclusive, cultural. I think it was just so special to have in the middle of our beloved LA.
The other 3 beats are heel. So lift up our foot, or heel only, and go 2, 3, 4. So the whole thing goes 1, 2, 3.
I'm very grateful how wonderful this program was. I can wait to come back.
Ya Rabbi selam